Hi, I'm Xander Nicholson. For over 10 years, golf has been my life. But as I started preparing for collegiate golf, I realized that my biggest opponent wasn't the course, it was my own brain. I wanted to investigate the yips, a mysterious physical twitch that ruins the short game of even the best pros. Scientists call this focal dystonia, referenced by the Mayo Clinic in 2024, a neurological short circuit where the brain's fear center hijacks the muscles. For my senior capstone, I moved outside my comfort zone to study the neuroscience of the stroke and see if I could yip-proof my game through objective data. To start, I established a baseline to serve as my control. I took 50 putts in a relaxed environment with no stakes. My heart rate stayed at a steady 72 beats per minute, and I made 94% of my putts. This proved I have the physical skill, meaning any later misses would be a mental issue, not a lack of talent. From there, I conducted 3 specific neurological tests. Test 2, the Amygdala Hijack Challenge. Inspired by the work of Daniel Goleman, this test determined how stress physically overrides motor control, as documented by the Mayo Clinic in March of 2024. I had to make 5 putts in a row, but missing the money ball at number 5 meant doing push-ups as a penalty. This tiny threat shifted my brain into a threat state, spiking my heart rate to 98 BPM. Because my amygdala took over my motor cortex, my success rate crashed from 94% to 70%. My brain literally stopped my muscles from working correctly. Test 3, the quiet eye technique. Based on research by Dr. Joan Vickers, this test determined if visual stability could quiet the brain. I forced my eyes to lock on a single dimple on the ball for 2 seconds before moving. This visual anchor lowered my heart rate to 86 BPM and stabilized my head, proving that controlling your gaze can actually quiet the nervous system. Test 4, external versus internal focus. Based on the studies of Dr. Gabriele Wolf, I realized I had to actually trick my brain into thinking about something other than golf, while internal focus, thinking about my wrists, kept my heart rate high and my stroke stiff. External focus, focusing only on the target, was the winner. It brought my heart rate down to 82 BPM and my success rate back up to 90%. By focusing on the whole, I stopped micromanaging my muscles and let my training take over. Completing this project taught me that the yips are biological, not just a myth. I learned that under pressure, my brain can be my worst enemy, but with these strategies, I can take back control. As I head into my collegiate golf career, I'm bringing a scientific strategy to stay calm under pressure. I want to give a special thank you to my mentor, Sergeant First Class U.S. Marines, Thomas Kurland. He knew me back in Hawaii when I was only 10 years old and mentored me then, too. Having his guidance again for this project has been incredible. Thank you for watching my capstone journey.